So it is a setup used for the dual protractor. So aim of the experiment is to determine the angle of a given specimen by using dual protractor. Okay. So normally we can use the normal protractor to measure this, but we can get only in degrees. Okay. So if you want the accurate values in terms of minutes also, we need to use dual protractor. Okay. So it will be accurate instrument. This is the one part of the dual protractor, and we have the blades over here. Okay, so we need to use these blades as well as this setup to measure the different angle of a given specimen. Okay, so we have taken this triangular specimen. So here we need to find out the three angles. Okay, so before finding the angles, we need to know the least count of this experiment. Okay, this experimental setup. Okay, so just you can see here. So there are the divisions are provided in clockwise direction as well as in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So suppose if you are taking the reading from 0 in this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction, then you need to count from the vernier scale. You can see here, that is 0 here, 5 they have mentioned. You need to consider in anti-clockwise direction only. If you are taking the reading in anti-clockwise direction, then we need to consider the vernier scale in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if you are taking in a clockwise direction, then you need to consider the clockwise direction of the this vernier scale reading. Okay, so now the least count is nothing but the main scale reading is 1 degree. So 1 degree stands for 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes divided by number of vernier scale divisions. Total we are having 24 divisions, but we are considering the only one side, so that the divisions are 12. Okay, so 60 divided by 12, that will be 5 minutes. So that you can see here. So we need to draw these images over here. So this is the specimen what they have given for us. This is a triangular specimen. So this is set up the blade. This is the blade. That blade we have to insert through this. Okay, so we need to insert this blade over here. Okay, after inserting, we have to place this specimen like this. Okay, this is, we are measuring the angle theta 1 here. Okay, so angle theta 1 we are measuring here. So we need to place like this. So after placing like this, we need to rotate. We need to tighten this by holding properly this arrangement. So we need to tighten this as well as this one. Okay, so after tightening, after placing properly, then after tightening these two knobs, we can remove this specimen. Okay, after removing this specimen, we need to see the readings here. Okay, so now the readings are obtained as, so we are taking in anti-clockwise direction. So you can see it is showing 30 exactly. 30 is the main scale reading, and then we can see the vernier scale reading. It shows around third division. It shows third division. Okay, so now we have to take the reading as the MSR. It shows as 30. It is in degree, plus CVD least count we have taken it as 5 minutes into the third division. Okay, so whatever the values we have got, it is 30 degree 50 minutes, 30 degree 15 minutes. This is the reading obtained for the theta 1. Okay, so this is for the first trial. Okay, so now we need to go with the second angle. So again we need to loosen this, and we need to rotate like this, and need to place. So for the second angle, that is, you can see this theta 2. So we need to adjust this blades, and we need to place like this. Okay, so after placing like this, so this is the position. So after placing, we have to tighten the screw. See, we should note that this position should be properly located. Okay, so after tightening this, we have to take the readings. So readings are obtained as, here you can see the readings are obtained as 60 degree, and we can, it is in clockwise direction, so that we need to consider the clockwise vernier scale. In clockwise vernier scale, we can see the sixth vernier is showing the exact coincidence, so that it will be 60 degree. So the readings obtained is theta 2. It is a 60 degree plus 5 minute into 6. Okay, 5 minute into 6, so that the reading obtained is 60 degree 30 minutes. Okay, this is the reading obtained from the second setup. For angle theta 3, so again we need to lose this and we need to place like this. Okay, so by placing, after placing like this, then we need to write this. So this is the position. So after that, after locating this, we need to measure the angle. See, we approximately we know that it is around 90 degree, so that we should get in the range of 90 degrees, so that we can see here it is 87 degree, and it is in clockwise direction. Again, the main vernier scale reading is, so it will be 5. Okay, so 5, so that the reading obtained is, it will be 87 plus 5 minute into 5, so it will be 87 degree 25 minutes. Okay, so these are the 3 readings obtained from this. So this is the result of this experiment. Okay, this is dual protractor. Okay, thank you.